Hello guys, welcome back on a brand new video. Today is Thursday. Thursday. My start this video is saying I have a cough. Sorry guys, just I coughed a lot in these sorry guys, I'm really just not feeling well. I'm still going to some video. Amazing news, I got hired by Dear Letter again. Yes, thank you so much. Is she watching? She's on my Gina and Letter channel. Sub. Steak. I'm just getting more subs. Can anyone sub to Steak Cruise? Getting more subs. And yeah, we have this today is Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. I watched it. Quick stream. Let you tell us. It was 7 hours. Quick hours live stream for 7 hours. What the heck? Like, what the heck? What the heck? Like, ain't no way, man. Watch more YouTube. I'll say. Oh yeah, we did have another Steam Nights video today. At 8. Man, that's getting kind of better now. Man, I had a knee. I think this, because I had to sit like that in my videos, and it might be that. Doesn't hurt, just I'm so ready for Chad and V's video tomorrow on Saturday and Sunday. And this Friday tomorrow. So ready. I'm so ready for this weekend. It's so close, you get like 2 more days, like 4 days to weekend. You start on Monday, have weekend again. I'm so confused. What else did I say, guys? I think that's all I'm gonna say in this video. Oh yeah, we did have my favourite hosts on News Run again. Yeah, I know. I think I end this video. So guys, I just want you guys to know, send some prayers in the comments section, like get better soon or something like that. I hope you guys are commenting in this video, like it comes out soon. Please comment some of your prayers, your love to myself, obviously, because I love reading your comments every day. I just love reading comments every day, guys. I think that's all I'm going to say in this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Have a good day. Bye.